Hey, it's Bay, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the AW6 iPod Classic and the AW3 Macintosh AirPods cases from Elago. These cases are pretty cool and inexpensive, which makes them great gifts. I'll put some links in the description to Amazon if you're interested in purchasing these AirPods cases. The AW6 iPod Classic version comes in two different colors and two different variants. You can choose between the one with the carabiner or the one without the carabiner, and the one that I have is the version without the carabiner. I believe the Macintosh case just comes in this one color and variant. Both of these cases are two-piece cases, which I'm not really a fan of, to be honest, but they seem pretty secure and won't fall off, for now. Only time will tell though. And generally with these two-piece cases, you need to have a small gap in the back so that the lid can open up to access your AirPods. Anyways, these cases feel very high quality and there are no rough edges unlike some other cheap quality silicone cases. Let's take a look at the iPod Classic case first. Of course, on the front, you have the wheel where you could control your iPod. It's not functional in this case, but it sure does look cool. There's a little dot on the top of the menu portion, but it's not a hole. It's for the indicator light on the second generation AirPods, and I believe that you should be able to see the light coming through. On the top you have your hold switch, and there's even a dash of orange on there, which is pretty cool. You have your lightning cutout on the bottom, and your cutout for the hinge on the back, as well as a very small subtle Elago logo. The Macintosh case is a lot more protective, but also a lot more thicker than the iPod Classic case. I really like it, but I personally wouldn't carry it with me when I'm out and about. On the front, you have the screen portion and it says hello in cursive. You also have a floppy disk slot on the bottom right. On the back, you have the cutout for your hinge as well as the Elago logo and the lightning cutout on the bottom. That's pretty much it. I personally would use this case if you were to leave your AirPods on a desk because it would look super nice. Comparing these two cases, one is the more standard AirPods case shape and the other one is a lot more squared off. The Macintosh case is more heavier, but you can stand it up by itself, which is pretty cool if you ask me. It looks really nice on a desk and will look really good on display. However, I think the iPod Classic version is the more rational choice for everyday carry because it's a lot more slimmer and lighter, so it will fit inside your pocket better. There's not much more left to say about them. These cases are pretty cool and I would recommend them if you're feeling nostalgic. These cases feel high quality and will protect your AirPods, but the only thing that I don't like is that they are two-piece cases. If that doesn't bother you though, then go for it. As always, I'll leave some links in the description. That was my video of the Elago iPod Classic and Macintosh AirPod cases. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Also, visit my social media links in the description and follow me there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!